Right. Right. Shipping with your mood right. Try to look good in the moonlight. By my spotlight, moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Let's make sure we're rolling. Yo, what's up, Zay? What's up, brother? We're about to cook. We're about to cook right now, brother. Oh, wrong thing. I actually hate doing it on the MacBook, bro. Low key, it's like so difficult. Turn on the monetization, turn on the ads. You already know me. Put on the aggressive one. All right. Let's try again. What I've been doing is mixing daily profiles with weekly profiles. Honestly, it's done a lot better, honestly. So I'm gonna start mixing like daily profiles and weekly profiles together. That's something I should have been doing already, but let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh yeah, and today I took one trade, but I paper traded it. I know you guys probably don't give a fuck about the paper trading, but I took one trade today on paper because I wasn't sure. I just wanted to test out the model or whatever. So I actually took, let's see, where's the settings? Oh, there we go. I took one trade this morning. Where's it at? Turn on the executions. Wait, this is the wrong account. I think this one. Yeah, right here. All right, I took this turtle soup trade here. I soup out the high here. So basically, we were coming down, and this is already high. This is already the high that I did not want to get taken out. We come up, we soup out this high here, and then this is my entry right here. My entry was at this high, and my stop loss was here, and then I targeted the like internal low right here, and that was the trade that I took on paper because I wasn't sure where price wanted to go originally. So I took the small little trade here on paper, but let's go ahead and play some out. Where's it at? Sure. How can I get real data? You have to buy it. Unless you have a combine. All right, so. All right, let's play it. Let's run it. Okay, so basically going in this week here, this is a Wednesday, right? This is a Wednesday. Monday, we tap this new day opening gap here. We're getting rejection off of it. Going the 1 hour. We have a change in state in delivery coupled with a I want to see SMT at the highs here, but we don't have any SMT at the highs for a reversal. So, and we do have SMT at the lows, a bullish SMT at the lows, but we don't have a CISD. But we are tapping this rejection block here on the upside. So right now, I'm kind of mixed bias, but according to daily profiles, we should be bullish because London doesn't tap anything, right? London doesn't tap anything lower. We come out super at London low and London high. So the objectives have already been met today. And we have coupled with the SMT at the lows, and we get the hourly change in state of delivery to the upside. So now I am bullish bias. My bias is bullish. And then I want to mark up the midnight opening. this is my midnight opening. Drop down to the 15-minute. And I want to see lows below midnight opening here. So let's play it out. I'm bullish bias, right? So let's play it out. Like I said, this low swept, but like I said, it's not in a discount of the daily range. So I don't really want to take that long. So we're going higher, right? So far, bullish bias is playing out. Let's see here. We're in a premium right now. Like I said, we don't have a coupled SMT at the highs here or above here, so I'm still bullish bias here. But like I said, Wednesday should be for expanding. So if we don't come down to premium or discount level, so I'm just not going to take it, which is fine. Yeah, so it's just these days here, I don't trade. My bias was correct though, which is great. My bias is getting better. I just need to find an entry. All right, let's go next day here. Guys, my bias has gotten so much better, bro. I just gotta couple it with like an entry criteria. All that is. Is FX replay still valid or did you get patched? Dude, honestly, I think it got patched. I think it got patched, to be honest with you. I believe it got patched. But let's hear. Alright, so Wednesday, I'm anticipating this to be high week. Plus, we tapped the daily fair value gap. And then 2 to 3, we don't tap anything significant, right? So, like I said, we have no SMT at the highs either. So I'm still bullish bias. We're coming up to discount. In London daily profile, this is the London high. We don't tap anything significant. And it looks like we're coming down to this discount level here with the fair value gap here. Now the fair value gap here. Coupled with the order block here. Drop down to the 15-minute. So, and we're below midnight opening too. So we're very bullish, or we're in deep discount of both ranges. So now, I drop down to the 15-minute on most time frames. Let's see. Now, I wait. So we have SMT pair down here. But I want to see us tap this hourly order block here. If we're tapping from an hourly order block, I want to see like a confirmation, just because we're on a higher time frame here wise. All right, so we're kind of running through this hourly order block. Coming down to this hourly order block instead, coupled with the hourly fair value gap. And the hourly order block. So right now I'm still bullish. I want to see price just give us a confirmation for longs. Alright, this is my confirmation for longs. And plus we're in a 950 macro here also. Oh my goodness. Chat. What am I doing wrong? I'm cooked. This low might be the next target, to be honest. I'm cooked. Okay, we have SMT. Now this right here is your SMT. Now, we have S&T divergence. That low should not be met. So that's the trade I did right here. I wanted to get in at this low here, but right. Okay. Alright, so price is actually going like this right now. It's starting to make an uptrend here. So we might come down, sweep out the low here, and then go higher. This is my prediction right now. So what I'm going to do is move my stop still at this low. Wow, it did that exactly how I wanted it to do. That's fucking crazy. Alright. So my entry will be at this low here. And then we tapped that perfectly low key. So now I want to see this high is my big profit area. So right here, we came down, sweep out the low here, and then break even. Oh no, we can start at a break even here. Unfortunate. So my bias was obviously incorrect, right? My bias was obviously incorrect. We got that hourly change in state of delivery, but how many times do you need to take your tuck your edge off every day? No, this trade was okay, but like I said, my bias was incorrect. I was anticipating Monday or Wednesday to be low day or low week because we didn't have a S&T at the highs, and I always want to see S&T at the highs. If we're at a true reversal area, I want to see S&T. Yeah, but I feel like I did manage it well. It's fine. All right. A Friday. So like I said, it looks like I hate trading Fridays. Fridays are tough as fuck, low key. Alright, here we have S&T divergence at the low. The candle that swapped out liquidity. So here, we got an hourly CISD. Like that, we're tapping this order block perfectly. Rejecting off this order block. Now, look at the daily profile. Look at the daily profile. It looks like London did tap a 4-hour fair value gap, and we get the 15-minute change of state of delivery to the downside, right? But I'm still going to be aiming more for longs. Wait. Okay, so actually, we come down, we sweep out a daily low. Ooh, this is very tough. I did trade today. So this is where I get kind of confused, right? We have both really good entries for longs and shorts. But I'm not going to take anything, but I'm leaning more towards the long, or towards shorts. Well, let's see what happens. Next time, I'll probably just sit out here. Yeah, so shorts did play out. We come up, take out London high. But ES didn't take out London high. We ended up creating S&T at the highs here, and we ended up jumping down. So longs and shorts weren't bad, but shorts significantly did play out. Next day. But my initial idea wasn't bad at all, which is good. Alright, so Monday, no trade. No, I paper traded today because I wasn't sure. Oh, my neck actually hurts. Alright, so here. So Tuesday here. Monday, we set up previous daily high on Monday, or previous daily low on Monday. We're getting the expansion up to the upside. But if you look at ES swept out nothing. So right now I just gotta do more work, right? Yeah, we paid. So obviously we're very bullish. We have SMT. We don't have any SMT at the lows, at the major lows. So right now I'm leaning more towards bullish, right? Obviously price action is very bullish here. Look at the daily profiles. We don't really tap anything higher time frame wise. So I'm just gonna be leaning more towards bullishness, but like I said, I don't even want to take this. I realistically don't even want to take this. We just ran up over multiple points, multiple 100 points. So I don't even feel comfortable taking longs regardless. So I'm probably just not gonna take anything here. Well, let's see what happens here. I wouldn't trade today. So as you can tell, so right here, this is the daily range of Tuesdays. The range on Tuesday was kind of shit, to be honest, for kind of trash New York session here. We pushed up, retraced, and literally nothing. If you're not gonna lie, I missed your fake story. Fake stories. Can you tell me? That's another one. Maybe when I'm at my house. Like I said, I am locked in. Like I'm putting the grind every day. I can't live in this poverty type shit. All right, so Tuesday. I'm anticipating Tuesday to be high of week. It's because we tapped the daily fair value gap. The daily fair value gap. We get the hourly change in state and delivery to the upside. Look at that. We get the hourly change in state and delivery. Hourly change in state and delivery. I'm gonna mark out my midnight opening. I'm bearish, right? I'm bearish. So now we have SMT. Oh, look at that. We have SMT at the highs, which is even better. So shorts here are my favorite. So now we just wait for price to come up into midnight opening area, and we look for shorts then. This is great. I want to see price come up to midnight opening. If it doesn't, but we're also in this right here also. All right, so price just dumps. Price just dumps. Yeah, so this day, like I said, I wouldn't trade this day either until we come up to midnight opening. Okay, so we have SMT at the highs here, but this just looks like relative equal highs getting swept. So let's go on the hourly. I said I'm not touching anything. All right, so here. All right, so we have SMT at the highs here. and we're in midnight opening. I'm bearish, higher time frame wise. Let's go on the 4 hour really quick. All right, I'm just gonna wait here, wait for a confirmation for shorts. Yeah, see, look, come up, take out the high. All right, so we get that CISD here. So, stops at this high, S&T high. That right there was your turtle soup. And then dropping down to the 1 minute, we get that change in states in delivery to the downside. And plus we entered at midnight opening here also. So let's see. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and move my stops at this high. And if we come up, take out this high, then damn, that's just gonna suck. Alright. We're respecting the change in state of delivery here in this fair value gap here that we have. I'll go ahead and move my stops at this here. Alright, now we have lows here. And guess what? 2 p.m. candles, that's 2 p.m. simple close at the start of 2. So we come down, take out the lows, break even. Now, we have a bullish fair value gap here. I'm going to go ahead and look for a take profit at this low here. So we go and take profit. I'm just going to go and take position off here. We tapped that bullish fair value gap. Beautiful reaction off of it, to be honest with you. But yeah, unfortunate. So we caught a little piece of the pie. Like, obviously my bias was incorrect here. Obviously I had confluences here. Cool. When you started trading, what did you watch? Lots of YouTube videos. You should get Turtle Soup, the North Korea agent in 6 of his recall, like last time when you joined in late. Bro, we're starting to do that. We were gonna, hold up. Can you do both? You're gonna stream? You can do it right now if you want. Let's see if they're both down. No ICT mentorship? No. Yeah, no. I would, if we do it, I'm gonna have to mute everybody though, and just what is it? Keep 6 and Kim in it. Hold on, let me hold on, let me. I don't know how to change the permissions, low key. Hold up. Hold up, let me how do I change it? It just not even giving me like an option. Permissions. Oh, there it is. And then I need to add a member. I need to add a role real quick. Oh wait, who's that? I got black, I got white, what you want? I go so hop up in the fan, And then hold up. You know what I'm saying? On a song. I go red, I go blue, what you want? Try to get that, but I see they got from the time. And then diamond don't want this shit to win. So let me get rid of all these permissions here. The child to my flower, take the ass and ransom. I know that I'm gone. That should be fine. And then apprentices. Alright, let me see if oh, wrong thing. Wrong thing. Wrong thing. Oh my goodness. I'm choking. I'm choking. Alright, and then I would have to do this. And then connect my AirPods in here. And then do this, profiles. Go to, wait, hold up. I'm choking, bro, low key. And then go to OBS, turn this up so you guys can hear them. Alright. It won't let you speak. Oh, let me fix something, guys. My bad, bro. I'm on my MacBook, so it's like hard as fuck to do. Alright. And then alright. I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom really quick. I'll be right back. Give me like 5 seconds. hello? Wait, hello. Wait.
Yeah, just give me a second. I gotta use the bathroom.
Alright, bro, you're good. Alright, let me make an announcement here real quick. Everyone in DC can ask questions. At 6 and maybe TS. Alright. Let's see if Turtle Soup joins or Kim joins. Wait, are you guys able to hear me? Really quick? Just gotta make sure. Yes, I bet. Okay. We're gonna wait for 6 and then I'll see if Kim joins. I'm probably gonna be streaming for about like another hour or just another hour. Do you know what a true order block is? A true order block is the candle that sweeps out liquidity. So it's not the whole down close candle or the consecutive down close candle. It's just the candle that swept out the liquidity. The liquidity. Is Power 3 in Power 3 is it good to use SD? What is SD? Supply and demand.
Alright. Are we getting started right now?
Yeah, let's run it.
Yeah, can you share your screen?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Window. Alright. Alright, if you can answer your questions 2-6 in the thing, that'd be amazing. I can't seem to give it a look, but alright, so I'm gonna have you guide, or I'm gonna tell you what I see and you kind of just guide me in the right direction.
Yeah, go ahead. Make it start right now.
Okay. Alright, so basically,
A full house, Tyler.
Thursday, we tap the daily fair value gap, drop it down to the hourly. You get that change in state of delivery to the upside or to the downside here with an hourly SOT, the highs. So that just proves to me that we're most likely bearish. Now, mark at the midnight opening. You can tell we're displacing very strongly body closures toward the downside. So I'm most likely going to be using the 8:30 opening instead as a premium discount. And on the daily range or the weekly range, we're also in a deep premium too. So from Monday's low to Thursday's high. So we're in a deep premium. So I'm already aiming for
bias is bearish.
Yes, bias is bearish.
Okay, so yeah, the bias is bearish, but you see that the intraday low that was created right now.
This one right here.
That low at the very bottom, the intraday lows.
Right here.
Yeah, look and see where price is reacting from on the H4 or higher. We'll start off with the H4. Yeah. So we're reacting from the order block right there, that single down close candle. Right. So just mark that out. Right. So in this instance, has 9:30 open yet?
Yeah, we're at 9:30 here.
Okay, so go back to the M5. Okay, so what framework are you looking for prior to placing the entry?
Just above, selling above old highs and buying under old lows. So I'm looking for.
Okay, so in this instance, you'd be waiting for a turtle soup, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's wait for that.
Okay, but I need to see which. So the thing is, like, do you look for which high is most likely going to get swept? Like, how do you frame your turtles? Like, I know turtle soups is basically just buying about all highs and all lows, but like, is there a specific high that you always look for, or is there something like a higher time frame
It's
high?
the mainly session highs and session lows because those fall under the category of external range liquidity pools, or you can use intermediate term highs and lows or long term highs and lows. So right
Okay.
now, for the sake of this set of price action, can you? I don't think we're gonna go above the intraday highs though. That's the thing, because we already saw displacement on the M15.
Right.
So it wouldn't make sense to go all the way back above midnight open. So that high that just formed, that swing high
This one right here.
right there, yeah, that falls under the category of an external range liquidity pool with my rules. Because if you look closely, we took out a buy side liquidity pool on the left. It's that swing high, and then we traded lower into a rejection block. So that's a failure swing pattern. So that meets the criteria for an intermediate term high, according to my rules, right? So that high that just formed recently, mark that out.
With just like a block or something.
That no, just mark out the high in itself. Don't mark out the rejection block.
This,
Yeah. So that high in itself, you can remove all the other two lines that you drew. So once that high gets traded above, remember previously how we talked about high probability turtle soups, right? The old highs and old lows that don't have an imbalance that resides above them or below them, chances are it's going to reverse immediately after it trades. It takes out that pool of liquidity. Why? Because because the narrative behind it is that there's nothing for it to rebalance. So if there's nothing for it to do at that area, it can only do one thing, which is just reverse in the opposite direction, right? So if that's the logic that we're using.
But can't you say, oh, we have like a rejection block here, vice versa with an order block right here also?
Yeah, exactly. So you see how we have the breakaway gap that pretty much lines up with the midnight open.
Yeah, this one right here.
Yeah, that's the breakaway gap there. So if we do trade into that level, you can still look for shorts, right? But right now, the framework that we're using is the old high that you have marked out, which is closest to current market price, right?
Right.
So
Right.
just let it play out. Just let it play out. Don't do anything yet. Just play it out candle by candle. Okay, so we traded above that old high. Now go to the M1. Now, that is not a CSD, right? That CSD is not valid to begin with, right?
Right.
The up close candles that we just engulfed, they have more width than body. So that isn't solidified as a CSD. So you have to wait, right? So just just keep on playing the price action. Okay. Just play it candle by candle. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yeah, continue.
So we get this change.
Okay, so that's your CSD right there, right?
Right.
That's your CSD right there. So you can place an entry wherever you want right now, and your stop loss can be above the intraday highs. But can you just go back to the H1 real quick?
Yeah.
Because I want to see if we took out London high. Okay,
Yeah,
so we did take out the London
yeah.
high. Right, so that still counts as a turtle soup because remember, you can still define turtle soups by external range liquidity pools, and that can either be in the form of intermediate term highs and lows, long term highs and lows, or session highs and lows. Right, so go to the M1, and when you place your entry, where are you going to place your stop loss right now?
At this high, or would like at this high.
Okay, fair enough.
So just go ahead and place
And where's your target going to be?
targets could like. This is where like when we do have a low down here.
Okay, so you can take your first partial there, and then the overall target for this trade can be the intraday lows. So the lowest low that formed for that current day, that can be your target. Or you can target a fixed 3R or 2R. It's up to you. But because the area that you have your the low that you marked out right now, you're going to take your partial at that level. But the
Yeah,
thing is, I wouldn't move my stops to break even as soon as we reach that area. I still want to see a displacement a bit below that level, and eventually, when we complete the market maker sell model, I'd move my stop loss to break even around there.
okay, so like I guess this would be like the end, I guess they're quote unquote end of your market maker sell model here at this low.
Yeah,
Technically.
yeah. So that old low they have marked out. So as soon as we trade relatively close to that low, that's when I move my stop loss to break even.
Alright, bet.
All right, so just let it play out.
So
All right, now take your partial. Okay, now just let the trade run. Okay, now move your stop loss to break even. Right, now you have nothing else to do. Right, so you just let the trade play out.
oh wait, fuck. Yeah, it hit. It hit. I just had my I accidentally just put it lower. So wait, no it didn't. No, it didn't. Hold on.
Yeah, you put it a bit past that old low, but
No, it was at the right low. It was just maybe just haven't taken it out yet. Okay, there we took it out like at like 1600. So okay, so
yeah, so that's pretty much the closure of true day. But you would have closed your position a bit before then, right? Because
yeah, of course.
4 p.m. EST, that's the closure for true day on indices. So as
So
soon as that time hits, all your positions should be closed by then.
right. So basically, you're just using sessions like London sessions, or like you're just using sessions to
Yeah, yeah,
kind of
session highs
indicate
and lows.
to,
Session
to
highs and lows
indicate
as your
the
external range liquidity pools.
right.
Session highs and lows as your external range liquidity pools. Once we trade above or below them, all you have to do after that point is just monitor for a CSD or the inversion fair value gap, which is technically also a CSD. And then after that, you can just pull the trigger based off of that.
Because like I guess this would you like this high. I mean, couldn't you just sell above this high and it stops at this high? Because this high right here is because this high because if we're true, if this is true, this high should be protected, and then these highs are just I guess stacked or not stacked, but these highs are just swing highs to get liquidated. Can't we just do that instead?
No, because if you go back to the H1, we traded into a rejection block on the 1 hour, right? So even though like that's still
Oh, I see.
it
I
still
see.
counts as a failure swing technically, even though we did trade above that old high, right?
Okay.
So technically, the high that did trade into that rejection block on the H1 that made the failure swing pattern, that's the high that should be protected. So where you had your stop loss, that was correct. But if you wanted to, you could have chosen the other area as well. Both are correct. It doesn't matter.
Okay, so you just got an early, like I guess like a, like you wanted to make sure to get in because this is technically a rejection block inside of another rejection block, and who
Yeah,
knew
yeah,
we were gonna come
but
and take out this
but
high?
yeah, but I mean, realistically speaking, we did trade above that old high, so that wouldn't.
Oh shit!
But like, it still
All right,
is a failure swing pattern. But the thing is, it wouldn't necessarily
all right. I think
classify
it's time
as
for me to
a
go because
classification.
my headphones died. So
Oh shit.
yeah, I can't hear anything right now. Okay, we'll continue back either today or tomorrow. We'll see. My fucking headphones just died. So yeah, I'll have to catch you guys later. My bad, my bad.
All right, bro.
I need to charge my headphones. All right, catch you guys later. Fuck, hold up. My, bro, my things just died, bro. Damn it. I was literally about to learn like